All right, well, thank you so much for expressing your interest in our course creation services done for you, writing, filming, and launching the course. Couple things before you book this call. Let's make sure we are on the same page so that we are not wasting your time and you are not wasting our time. We want to work with you, but this service, it's not for everyone. Number one, the first thing, do you truly want to create an online course? So if you're not clear yet, if you want to create a course, I would suggest that you go do further research. And when you know you want to create a course, the only question is whether you're going to do it by yourself or with a team of experts, then definitely we want to talk to you, because this is not a call to convince you to work with us. This call is all about learning about you and us to make sure that this is mutually beneficial partnership to create an epic course that you're proud to launch. So that's number one. Number two, yes, there is an investment. We do charge for our services, and I want to make sure that you are in place to make that investment. You can either have the money yourself or you can work with our lender that will fund the project. This is something new that we recently announced and has helped so many people to actually fund the course creation business, because there's no different than any other business. So if you're not in place to invest, our packages range from $7,500 to $30,000. So this is not for everyone. So if you're in place, that's number two, check, and you're ready to move forward. So again, these two things, I don't want to waste your time. I do not want to waste our time. I want to make sure we're on the same page. If we're cool, ready to go. Before you go on, a couple other things. Before you book a call, you can listen to a couple intros and from the team that works behind the scenes to make this project happen. And whenever you're ready, go ahead, click that button below, book a call, and we cannot wait to talk to you and see if this is mutually beneficial partnership so that we can help you create the best course possible. We'll talk to you soon.